Top 5 Futuristic Car Part 1. The name of the groundbreaking concept vehicle stands not only for the close collaboration in developing the show car together with the Avatar team but also for advanced vehicle transformation. It is extremely confident and completely without emissions. With its 4 high-performance and near-wheel-built electric motors, the Vision AVTR embodies a particularly agile implementation of the vision of a dynamic luxury saloon. With a combined engine power of more than 350 kilowatts, organic battery technology, the Vision AVTR was designed in line with its innovative electric drive. This is based on a particularly powerful and compact high-voltage battery. For the first time, the revolutionary battery technology is based on graphene-based organic cell chemistry and thus completely eliminates rare, toxic and expensive earths such as metals. Electromobility thus becomes independent of fossil resources. An absolute revolution is also the recyclability by composting, which is 100% recyclable due to the materiality. Vision AVTR-inspired by Avatar. The name of the groundbreaking concept vehicle stands not only for the close collaboration in developing the show car together with the Avatar team, but also for advanced vehicle transformation, interior and exterior merge. For the first time, Mercedes-Benz has worked with a completely new design approach in the design of the Vision AVTR. The holistic concept combines the design disciplines interior, exterior and UX from the first sketch. Man and human perception are the starting point of a design process from the inside out. The design process begins with the experience of the passengers and consciously focuses on the perception and needs of the passengers. The goal was to create a car that prolongs the perception of its passengers. It was also a matter of creating an immersive experience space in which passengers connect with each other, with the vehicle and the surrounding area in a unique way. Bionic formal language. When the boundaries between vehicle and living beings are lifted, Mercedes-Benz combines luxury and sustainability and works to make the vehicles as resource-saving as possible. With the Vision AVTR, the brand is now showing how a vehicle can blend harmoniously into its environment and communicate with it. Sustainable materials. Large areas such as the back shell of the seat and the sky are decorated with a color-changing fabric inspired by the color world of the sea. Depending on the light, the textile changes its color from dark blue to a subtle light blue. These seats are refined by the vegan Dynamica leather. Dynamica is the first and only microfiber that guarantees environmental sustainability throughout the entire production cycle. Future in the making. Looking towards the next 100 years, each and every Rolls-Royce will be a unique work of art. Shape, size and silhouette, you will be able to craft your vision entirely from the wheels up. Rolls-Royce 103X is our first ever vision vehicle, and embodies just one of the endless possibilities that awaits. A personalized icon for the future, providing a sanctuary of calm in an ever faster world. The pinnacle of effortless autonomous travel, gliding silently through the cities of tomorrow. This is our vision next 100. Rolls-Royce 103X future in the making. Looking towards inner serenity. Time is fast becoming the most precious commodity on earth. It cannot be bought, bargained for or created. Everyone craves it, but only a few command it. Amid this scarcity, Rolls-Royce offers abundance. A grand sanctuary, where your thoughts can breathe in complete tranquility. The entire roof canopy opens up to an inner sanctum, before effortlessly enveloping you. Sink back into expanses of bespoke, rare materials. The skylight is your panoramic observatory, inspiring awe and wonder. The only sound is the hushed beat of your own heart. The Rolls-Royce Vision 103X says about the future of luxury. The production of this car demonstrates the commitment of Rolls-Royce to incorporating these principles into future models, a focus on all-electric propulsion, development of autonomous, self-driving artificial intelligence, the creation of more passenger space and creative utilization of upscale materials to enhance the beauty of interior design. The Rolls-Royce 103X, a beautiful mind. It's no secret that the future belongs to self-aware, autonomous vehicles. But for the first time, Rolls-Royce will give artificial intelligence a name, a soul and a purpose. Her name is Eleanor. For over a century, the spirit of ecstasy has silently graced every Rolls-Royce. Now, she has a voice. Her vital spark lives within the very fabric of your vehicle, driving you, guiding you, discovering the world with you. Eleanor intuitively complements your personality, becoming a true companion. Are you ready? Follow Eleanor on a virtual 360-degree journey around Rolls-Royce 103X, and experience the feeling of effortless travel. Why doesn't the Rolls-Royce 103X have a steering wheel? You may have noticed no mention of a steering wheel, gas pedals, or any other kind of controls in the above description. There are no such controls. This car is driven by its computer AI, the spirit of ecstasy, nicknamed Eleanor, who will respond to your vocal commands and assist you with anything that you need to take care of on the road. If you're getting Knight Rider vibes, you should. This car is designed to be operated autonomously. The interior space is designed to be a retreat from the world, evoking a feeling of privacy, warmth and ultimate relaxation. Values our strive for perfection guides us. Rolls-Royce is an everlasting expression of the exceptional, where everything we do reflects our persistence and commitment towards the remarkable.